I am a recent graduate of architecture. Work-wise, I've just interned for 6 months. When I realized it wasn't for me, it made me very confused and scared. I didn't even have the guts to discuss it with my family that I don't think I want to do architecture going forward. I was too scared to talk about it. Hi, I'm Thanushree. Currently, I'm working for MediaMint, whose headquarters is based in Hyderabad. The journey from being an architect to being a digital marketing has been amazing, and Kraftshala plays a major role in it. When I was doing my internship, I couldn't see myself opening up a firm, and hence it sort of hindered my growth. I could tell it was like, oh my god, am I going to do this for the rest of my life? Thankfully, that was the time when my firm hired a digital marketer for themselves. So I could see how much important digital marketing is for any business. So that is when I came home, watched many YouTube videos, and it sort of unwrapped like it was an onion. It kept on opening up. So yeah, that's when I started looking for marketing courses, and that's how I found Kraftshala. And then I joined Kraftshala, and then I was like, okay, first 3 weeks, I'll see what happens. If I like it, I'll like it. Otherwise, I'll look into something else. But I could tell I really enjoyed it, even though the schedule was hectic, even though everything was too much. But I really liked it. I liked working on our assignments. I liked attending the sessions. It was really fun, and then I was having fun. So that was something very important for me. Like, I want to have fun. I want to love what I'm doing. So that just made that decision even easier. So yeah. One thing is that being empathetic towards everyone. That's something we've been told throughout the journey from day one to the last day of the journey. And everyone in Kraftshala set an example for me. I want to set an example for someone else, someone who looks up to me. So that's one, not just to reach, but also to practice. So that's one more thing I take away. And one more thing is, put in the effort. That's something we've been told from, I think, kindergarten, but it's when you experience something, that's when you realize, okay, it is true. So yeah, like, put in the effort, you'll always get the results. So that's 3 things I take away from Kraftshala. I was very timid, I could tell. Like, I was not very interactive in sessions also. I was never asking too many questions. If there was anything, I used to go back to SSC and text them. So I was always like that. But now I feel like I can have a conversation with anyone, because they used to randomly put us in groups, breakout rooms, and used to meet so many new people, and you had to have a conversation. You had to perform your task. So that sort of helped always. It's like has been a great help, I could tell. Now I can like genuinely have like a conversation. I can make small talk. So that's one thing. I was just looking at my phone, and then I opened the mail. I didn't know how to react. It was a very good feeling. It was a very wholesome moment for me, I could tell. So yeah, it was amazing. And of course, landing a job was amazing. Landing a job with such an amazing organization felt even great. Right now, the place I'm working, it's amazing. And the work I'm doing, I really like it, because I'm sure if I'm going to put all my effort into it, I'm going to do very well. So I'm sure about that. There are a lot of alumni from Kraftshala, so it even makes it even more better. The platforms we learned on Kraftshala, to be very honest, we're not using that now. But the concepts are the same. So it was very easy for me to adapt. Not only for me, like in my team, I have so many other Kraftshala alumni. It was easy for all of them. So it's not just, very personal, but it's like universal, because we've already learned from Kraftshala all the things, required. So it's very easy for us to adapt to something else. I didn't know anything about digital marketing or how things work in the industry itself. But Kraftshala has been a major support. Even after getting placed, we can always reach out to them. They've always been there. They're always there even now. So yeah, that's been my journey from being an architect to a digital marketer right now. I would just tell, go for it. Like, I've been through that state. It's very tough to be in that state, because I know it. Kraftshala was not just a course for me, because I was so skeptical about it, because I was so scared to take it up. And I took it up, and, I got so much out of it. So, like, I would just tell, trust the process, go for it, and it'll be great.